Okay folks, got an update here on this job. We're coming along pretty good, and we put some of the steel down in the bottom of the pool, and these are going to turn into some big rocks right here, and this is where you'll swim underneath to get into the underwater or in the pool grotto area. That's the wall of this big rock that's coming down right here. Up on top, the water will start right there, drop down, come around a stream, drop here, and then it's going to come here and drop into the pool again. We've got a bunch of cement here we're going to mix up, and we're going to put another pylon right down there. Going to make another one of these kind of structural supports for this whole thing. So you can see it's coming along. This is going to be like a big rock just on the entrance to the cave entrance to the spa area. And you can walk around. Again, these are all going to look like rocks, and here's the cave entrance in the back where you can see what's going on. And these are more of the rocks on the opposite side of the pool. Got that burlap going on here. It's going to be a big flat rock. It'll be a if I can keep from falling in the pool here. So there you go. You can see what we're doing. Thing's going to be really cool when it's done, man.